Hey, Intro to Yearbook. I just wanted to give a quick little kind of explanation, introduction of your assignment using the yearbook terms. For this assignment, you are only using the terms highlighted in yellow because some of the terms just aren't present on this particular spread. So using your yearbook list, I want you to read through all of those and, really try to familiarize yourself with all of them. But again, for this assignment, you're using the ones highlighted in yellow. So on your Google Draw, you will create text boxes. And if you don't know how to do that, you just click this little T here and you just create a box, type in it. So for example, yearbook spread, and then you can move that wherever you want to label it. Okay, and you could obviously change the color of your font if you needed to. If you needed to like change it to white to put it on, the black background or something like that. But, this is kind of also a very introductory lesson on just making text boxes and moving objects around. And that's actually kind of part of yearbook design. So use those terms, label this spread. I know some of it is kind of tiny. You don't actually have to be able to read the text. Just know that it is text. So using your understanding of these terms, label the Google Draw. And that's it.